Very good. We just launched our music, independent music label, and our first single is coming out soon.
Yeah, bakit we try to venture in that business?
We're in the business, so it's not just on cam, it's also off. So we opened a production studio 5 years ago, our studio 3, a year ago, and now the music label. So we're in the advocacy of artists being also business savvy, not just in front or in front of the mic, but also kumbaga alam nila ano nangyayari dun sa likod. Transparency and collaboration is very important.
Okay, but a question lang about this, no? Ano yung pinaka-product ng ECE na pinaka-favorite mong gamitin?
Nothing specifically, but I'm just here to be the guest of honor and to represent a local brand. You know, we should support local. It's very important. Itong mga local brands serving other local businesses is very important. So sana masuportahan natin ang local economy para lalaki mga local businesses.
And you're using this in your business, right?
Yeah, this is the first time I'm here seeing this brand, so I'd like to explore the brand more and then what they're doing and hopefully use it for my other businesses.
Okay, but you just came from Harvard, tama ba ako?
A few months ago.
Kamusta pag-aaral mo doon?
Very nice. It's my second course in Harvard. Very nice and enlightening. It's good to share to my company and my employees also.
What is your course there?
My first was negotiation. My second one was creating brand value.
Why did you decide na mag-aral ka doon?
Education is important. Study education and always to explore and expand what you know and learn more and share it with